Hey, what's up guys, Winston here, and today we'll be taking a quick look at the ASRock Z390 Phantom Gaming 9 motherboard. Now for a short message. This video is made possible thanks to ASRock, makers of mainstream and enthusiast motherboards. Get yours now via the affiliated links in the description down below, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for your attention and enjoy the video. The Z390 Phantom Gaming 9 motherboard is one of ASRock's premium enthusiast gaming motherboard in their Phantom Gaming lineup. It utilizes the Intel Z390 chipset and supports all of the Intel 8th and 9th generation processors, including the new stepping with the latest BIOS update. It comes with a host of features including 2.5 GB LAN and also of course the polychrome RGB. It also has dual band AC Wi-Fi as well as 2 additional Intel gigabit LAN. The 12 power phase design gives it stability as well as of course comes with the super alloy feature from ASRock. It features 3 Ultra M.2 slots for your SSD as well as support for the Intel Optane Memory. For memory, it supports speeds of up to DDR4 4200, and for multi-GPU, it supports the Quad SLI from Nvidia as well as AMD 3-way Crossfire. And for sound, it has the 7.1 HD audio supporting the Creative Cinema 5. It'll be interesting to see how this motherboard will perform against other Z390 boards that we've tested in the past. In fact, we'll be using this motherboard in our up-and-coming PC project, so watch out for that. So without further ado, let's put this in our test rig, build a test system, and do a quick unboxing. We'll see you later. Alright, let's do a quick unboxing. We have the ASRock Z390 Phantom Gaming 9 motherboard. It's a huge box, as you can see. It's one of ASRock's premium enthusiast gaming motherboard in their Phantom Gaming 9 series. Alright, let's have a look. Alright, you have 2 parts in this motherboard. We have the motherboard itself and also a box of accessories. And we're going to take a look at the accessories first. Alright, so we have instruction manual, nice, and the software setup guide. There's also a postcard as well as the driver disc. Alright, and over this side we have 2 packs of SATA cables. There's a pair of them each. There are also 3 M.2 screws for your SSDs. There's an SLI bridge for dual SLI, and there's the antennae for your dual band AC Wi-Fi. Comes with like a square antennae rather than the 2 individual antennas. And then we also have the I/O shield to go with your connectivity ports. Alright, so that's your accessory box. Let's have a look at the motherboard itself. ASRock Z390 Phantom Gaming motherboard right here, very nice. Okay, let's start off with the DDR slots right here. We have 4 DDR slots for DDR4 up to 4200 speeds OC. And then moving on, we have 3 PCIe slots, 16 times, supporting Quad SLI and AMD Crossfire 3-way. Okay, and then on this side we have a total of 8 SATA ports right here for your SSDs and your storage and so on. And then over here we have the Ultra M.2 slots. So you have 1, 2, 3. This one is covered by the heat shield that's included, very nice. And also we have something I really like, and that's the power and reset buttons right here at the bottom right hand corner, as well as the diagnostic LED. And in the bottom here we have a ton of connectors such as your 4-pin RGB and also USB, sound, audio and so on. Alright. Okay, let's have a look at the power connectors here. We have the standard 24-pin ATX power, as well as the top here we have the 8-pin as well as the 4-pin for motherboard. Okay, let's move on to the I/O and connectivity. We have the clear CMOS button right here, and then two Wi-Fi connectors there for your AC Wi-Fi, PS2 connector, and also USB. Then we have a display port as well as HDMI. There's the featured 2.5 gigabit LAN, nice, and more USB ports right here, and then the dual Intel gigabit LAN there. So these two are standard Intel gigabit LAN, and then we have the featured 2.5 gig LAN right there. And then bottom here we have also the USB C type and also the A type for your USB 3.1 Gen 2. And then the array of audio connectors there. It comes with some nice hood with also RGB along here as well as the bottom here as well. And then of course the heatsink, which will then help cool the MOSFETs and VRMs at the top right there. All in all, it's a very nice motherboard and should go very well in our up and coming project. More on that later. So without further ado, let's put this in our test rig, build up a test system and see how it performs. And we'll see you later. Well, what can I say about the ASRock Z390 Phantom Gaming 9 motherboard? Firstly, if you have the features, this is the motherboard you want. The list of features is as long as my arm. It's too many to list, but believe me, you get plenty. As far as performance is concerned, it produced very good scores in all of our benchmarks, including a high score of 5,983 in PC Mark 10 and 6,496 in Time Spy. With further tweaking of the CPU and memory settings, you can get even higher scores. For overclocking, we managed to overclock our Core i7 8700K to a respectable 5 GHz. It's a modest overclock, but with the right cooling, it should go higher. As I mentioned earlier, the motherboard's unique selling feature is the included 2.5 GHz LAN connectivity. This, along with two extra Intel gigabit LAN, makes it the ideal motherboard for content creators and online gamers to stream their high quality content. Not all home routers will support these super fast connections, but recently launched gaming routers from Asus and Netgear will support these high speed connections, but at a premium price. One thing I do like about this motherboard is the onboard power on and reset buttons, along with the diagnostic LEDs, as well as the, of course, the 4-pin RGB headers for your polychrome RGB. All in all, the ASRock Z390 Phantom Gaming 9 is a fantastic motherboard that comes absolutely packed with some great features at a price that you won't believe. If you want a high-end gaming motherboard based on the Z390 chipset, then take a serious look at the ASRock Z390 Phantom Gaming 9. We did, and we fully recommend it. And there you have it. This is the ASRock Z390 Phantom Gaming motherboard, one of ASRock's high-end enthusiast gaming motherboard, featuring the Z390 chipset, suitable for all Intel processors, including 9th gen and the up-and-coming and new stepping. So if you enjoyed this video, give us a like and leave a comment down below. You can actually purchase this via the links in the description. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, visit our website, and also support us by liking us. So until next time, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.